In a world that never sleeps, where the hustle and bustle of daily life can sometimes feel overwhelming, the quest for financial freedom has led many to the golden gates of passive income. But how does one navigate this path, especially in 2024? A year filled with both challenges and opportunities. Welcome, friends. Today, we're embarking on a journey together, a journey towards financial independence and empowerment. I'm here to share with you 10 beginner-friendly passive income ideas for 2024 that could potentially add to your main income without consuming all your time. So, let's dive in and explore how you can start earning extra money, even in your sleep.
1. Digital products empire.
First up, digital products. Whether it's ebooks, courses, or stock photos, the digital realm offers an ocean of opportunities. In 2024, the e-learning market is booming, making it the perfect time to share your knowledge or creativity with the world. And the best part: create once, sell forever. Begin by identifying a niche market with a clear need. Then leverage your expertise or passion to develop high-quality products that offer solutions. Utilize online platforms and social media for marketing. And consider automated sales funnels and affiliate marketing to broaden your reach. Over time, by continuously refining your offerings and exploring new market trends, you can establish a sustainable stream of income as your digital empire grows.
2. Invest in dividend stocks.
Next, let's talk about dividend stocks. For those new to investing, dividends are like little thank you notes from companies, paying you just for holding their stocks. With the right strategy and a bit of research, you can start with a small investment and watch it grow over time. Earning passive income from dividend stocks involves investing in companies that pay out a portion of their earnings to shareholders regularly. Start by selecting well-established, financially stable companies with a consistent dividend payout history. Diversify your portfolio across different sectors to mitigate risk. Reinvest dividends to compound returns over time. Regular monitoring and adjusting your investments based on performance and economic changes can optimize your income stream. This strategy requires an upfront investment and some research, but can yield a steady, passive income as your portfolio grows.
3. Real estate crowdfunding.
Moving on to real estate crowdfunding. Think investing in real estate is out of reach? Think again. Platforms now allow you to invest in high-quality real estate projects with much smaller amounts of money. It's real estate investing made accessible. Earning passive income through real estate crowdfunding allows investors to pool their money to invest in real estate projects without the need to directly buy, manage, or finance the properties themselves. Start by researching reputable crowdfunding platforms that focus on real estate investments. Look for projects that align with your investment goals, whether they are commercial, residential, or mixed-use developments. Assess the potential returns, project duration, and risk level. Once invested, you'll receive regular income distributions from the rental income or profits generated from the property's appreciation upon sale. This approach offers a hands-off way to invest in real estate, making it accessible for those with less capital or experience in the real estate market.
4. Create an app.
Idea number 4: create an app. If you have a brilliant app idea, 2024 could be your year. With numerous platforms to help you build and launch apps, the tech world is your oyster. Solve a problem, entertain, or simplify life, and watch the downloads and dollars roll in. Start by conducting market research to understand your potential users' needs and preferences. Design and develop the app with a focus on usability, functionality, and an appealing user interface. Once launched, monetize the app through various methods such as in-app purchases, subscriptions, or displaying advertisements. Regularly update the app to fix bugs, introduce new features, and keep users engaged. With effective marketing and ongoing maintenance, your app can generate passive income as it continues to attract users and earn revenue without requiring constant active involvement.
5. Affiliate marketing.
Affiliate marketing is up next. By promoting products or services, you can earn commissions on every sale made through your referral. Start with a blog, a YouTube channel, or even a social media account. Pick a niche you're passionate about and start sharing. Earning passive income through affiliate marketing involves promoting other companies' products and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral. Start by selecting a niche you are passionate about and find products or services within that niche that you believe in. Create content, be it through a blog, social media, or a YouTube channel, to engage your audience and provide them valuable information related to your niche. Incorporate your affiliate links naturally within your content. As your audience grows and trusts your recommendations, purchases made through your links can generate a steady stream of passive income. Success in affiliate marketing requires consistency, quality content, and a deep understanding of your audience's needs and preferences.
6. Peer-to-peer lending.
Peer-to-peer lending allows you to lend your money to others online, earning interest as they pay you back. It's like being the bank, but more personal and potentially more profitable. Begin by researching and selecting a reputable peer-to-peer lending platform that aligns with your risk tolerance and investment goals. Diversify your investments across multiple borrowers to mitigate risk. Assess borrowers' credit worthiness and loan terms before making any investments. Once you've invested, monitor your loans regularly and reinvest returns to compound your earnings over time. While peer-to-peer lending offers the potential for attractive returns, it's essential to conduct thorough due diligence and stay informed about market conditions to manage risks effectively.
7. Rent out your space.
Have extra space? Why not rent it out? Whether it's a spare room or a vacation home, platforms like Airbnb make it easy to turn your extra square footage into extra income. Start by determining the market demand and rental rates for your type of space in your area. List your space on rental platforms like Airbnb, Vrbo, or Craigslist, providing detailed descriptions and attractive photos to attract potential renters. Establish clear rental terms, including pricing, house rules, and cancellation policies. Ensure your space is clean, well-maintained, and equipped with necessary amenities to enhance the guest experience. Regularly communicate with renters and address any concerns promptly. By effectively managing your rental property and providing a positive guest experience, you can earn a consistent stream of passive income while leveraging your existing assets.
8. Sell handmade goods.
For the creatives out there, selling handmade goods online has never been easier. Platforms dedicated to artisans can connect you with customers around the globe looking for that perfect, personal touch. Start by identifying your niche and crafting items that appeal to your target audience. Whether it's handmade jewelry, crafts, or artwork. Set up an online store on platforms like Etsy, Shopify, or Amazon Handmade to showcase your products and facilitate sales. Invest time in optimizing your product listings with compelling descriptions and high-quality images to attract buyers. Utilize social media and digital marketing strategies to drive traffic to your store and increase visibility. Once your store is established, automate processes such as order fulfillment and customer service to minimize active involvement while generating passive income from your handmade creations.
9. High-yield savings accounts and CDs.
Don't overlook the power of a good savings account or CD. With the right account, your money can grow safely on its own. Thanks to higher interest rates, it's a low-risk way to dip your toes into the world of passive income. Start by researching reputable banks or credit unions that offer competitive interest rates on savings accounts or CDs. Compare the interest rates, terms, and fees associated with each option. Deposit your funds into the chosen account or CD and let the interest accrue over time. With high-yield savings accounts, you can typically access your funds whenever needed, while CDs require you to lock in your money for a specific period in exchange for a higher interest rate. By regularly depositing funds and allowing the interest to compound, you can steadily grow your passive income with minimal effort or risk.
10. Start a blog or YouTube channel.
Last but not least, starting a blog or YouTube channel. While it takes effort to set up and grow, this platform can become a significant source of passive income through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links, especially as you grow your audience in 2024. Begin by choosing a niche you're passionate about or have expertise in. Then create high-quality content that resonates with your target audience. Consistently publish engaging blog posts or videos that provide value, entertain, or educate your audience. Once you've built a loyal following, monetize your platform through methods like affiliate marketing, sponsored content, advertising revenue, merchandise sales, or memberships. With dedication and strategic growth, your blog or YouTube channel can become a sustainable source of passive income as your audience continues to grow and engage with your content over time. There you have it. 10 beginner-friendly passive income ideas for 2024. Remember, the journey to financial freedom starts with a single step, or in this case, a single idea. Pick one that resonates with you and take that first step today. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more insights into making your money work for you. Here's to your success in 2024 and beyond. Have a nice day.